Hi all, this is Professor Ian. This is just a very short video. I just wanted to talk about something. I was marking the letters to the readers today, and I noticed a number of people talked about how they didn't get any feedback with the peer editing, and I saw that online. You know, that can happen. And I just wanted to tell you, even if you don't get feedback through the class, with all of your major writing projects, you really do need to seek out somebody to proofread your work. Even if you're just getting a proofreading instead of an editing, there's a difference, right? An editor will go through and make suggestions for change and look at your ideas and, a kind of deeper read. Whereas a proofreader is someone who's just going through looking for misspellings, grammar issues, formatting issues, the kind of basic writing, to lower order writing concerns. An editor is usually concerned with higher order writing concerns. So I just want to show you an example of why this is so important with proofreading. Not even editing. Editing, of course, is great, but proofreading is the bare minimum. Take a look at this document I have here. Marketing bad, marketing good. Marketing are bad for brand big and small. You know what I am saying? It is no wonder that advertisings are bad for company in America, Chicago, and Germany. Updating a brand image bad for processes in one company and many companies. So, not very good stuff, right? It gets worse. Right? McDonald's is a good brand. McDonald's is a good brand. McDonald's are a good brand. Blah, 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 blah. So it's terrible. It's rubbish. But, if we come up here and we go to the spelling and grammar check, it doesn't pick up anything. Well, it doesn't give me the readability statistics. I have those on. But, the spell check on Word doesn't pick up any problems here. And that's because, it's not misspelled. There's no misspellings. The grammar's actually okay, right? McDonald's is good brand because McDonald's is a brand name. McDonald's are good brand, now considered a plural, right? All these little errors that should be picked up are ignored by a lot of spell checking software. And now I know these programs are getting better, right? I see advertisements for spell checking writing programs all the time on YouTube. Grammarly and whatnot will make you a better writer. And I'm sure they are getting better, but you should always get a pair of human eyes to look at your work, because it takes most people about 2 seconds reading this to realize, oh, okay, this is garbage. It needs work, right? So it's very important to get someone to proofread your work, even if you can't find an editor, someone to go through line by line and give you advice. Beg, borrow, and steal someone to donate 20 minutes of their time to proofread a paper for you, 3-4 pages if it's a short paper like this first one, and just make sure that you don't have any of these grievous errors. It's really going to help you in the long run. Anyways, that's about it for now. Just a quick word about proofreading.